Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually going to show my face. Hey, I know you guys have seen me in other videos, so, well, part of my face, but this is my whole face. Yeah. Okay, today we are going to be making some slime. I have slime. Oh, there's more of that blue slime from last videos. Random drawing. Oh, I'm not gonna actually drop that there. So we are going to be making some slime, and I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna get really close to you guys. It's another video. And I also need the camera's gonna take it. Okay. So we are going to be making slime. So I've got 4 different kinds of slime and glue, and I've even got activator. So it is liquid starch. I think that's the best activator because it's really close to borax, and we do not have active borax, and it actually works really good. So leave a thumbs up to borax. Well, liquid starch. So we are going to be randomly picking 2 different types of glue. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're going to be making 8 different kinds of slimes using these. I'm sorry guys, we're not using blue. Sorry. So we are going to randomly pick. I'm going to shuffle these up and randomly pick 2 slimes. These 2. Oh, beautiful. I wonder what it's gonna make. So we are going to be using these 2 colors. We are going to be using purple and orange. It looks yellow, but it's actually orange. So yes. Okay, I'm just moving my desk around. Guys, I know this is a coffee table, but whatever. It's my little desk for now, because I can't use my big desk. Okay, so we are going to start recording. And guys, leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and ring the bell for your notifications. And let's try to get this up to 100 likes. Even though you guys don't know me very well, let's try to get it up to 100 likes before the end of this week. So we'll see you guys in a second. Well, I can't really edit, so let's start pouring. Wait. So I'm just going to pour in some of this purple. Just going to be making miniature slime. That should be good. Just cut you off. Sorry. You're no longer a kid. I'm just gonna cut you off. Okay, that should be good. So, and maybe at the end we will mix it all up just for you guys. If I get a really pretty slime, I'm gonna mix it up for you guys. Just gonna mix it up. Oh, that's way too much activator. Ooh, I'll just leave it on this side. I'm going to mix this up from this side. Oh, it's making a really disgusting brown. Here, I'm going to get up to show you guys. It's a really disgusting looking brown. I'm going to get some more borax or activator in there. I'm sorry you guys can hear that. That's my little sister. I'm going to go close the door. So okay, I'm back. So we are going to be making slime, and I've heard this from Sis vs. Bro. Slime, I really like slime. It's so easy to make, so I make it all the time. I don't make slime all the time. This This is just my second time making slime in one day. So I actually think that's enough. So apparently orange and purple make brown. Like really ugly brown. It's not very satisfying. Looks like it's not. Guys, comment in the comment section down below. Snot slime. Looks like snot slime. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be snotty. Okay, so we got some slime. Seriously, guys, we got snot slime, and it looks really poopy. Like a really poopy color. It's not wanting to mix, but that's my slime. It's a really poopy color. Look at that. Do you see that? It's really snotty. That's really bad color. Going to get some more activator. I'm recording.
Mm-hmm.
It's my papa, grandpa. I made snot slime.
Mm-hmm.
So comment in the comment section down below. I know I already said this, but comment in the comment section down below. Snot slime. It's not wanting to activate. Not even very big. So it should activate plenty. And guys, I know I'm showing my face for the first time, so don't always expect it. Me to always show my face. But guys, this is what I look like, so what part of dark because if I would put this on my face, it looks like snot. It's like I got oh no! I can't get it back on. There we go. You left me. Get off. There, I think that should do it. You guys, my parents told me that I should put up a sign saying recording, because my dad and my grandpa both walked into here while I was recording, and so yeah, my grandpa. Whatever. How long has it been? 8 minutes? Seriously, it's been 8 minutes and I'm making one slime? But you guys have already closed out of the video. I'm sorry. I would edit. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry it's taking forever. Well, there's one of the slimes finally activated. Oh, I don't want to get it off the edges. I want to get it off the edges for my other slime. Well, great, I think I remembered it. For my other glue slime, because if I get the same colors, I am going to actually change it. So I'm going to put it back in until I get the right colors, a different color. I'll just pick colors. So we should actually get to all 4 of the colors So this slime should be ended. And, okay, so there's the snot slime, and it's beautiful. I think I overactivated it or something, because I can feel it cracking. But it looks fine. It's good slime. So, I know in my last video I said keep it closed for safety. Shh, I never did anything. So put slime on me. And slime in here. I'm super slimy, man. That is not very pleasant. So I'm actually going to put this in this container with my last video, because I literally made a video like a couple seconds after this one. My snot slime. I love my snot slime. Okay, I may actually be able to say this. No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. Wait. So, something down below, snot slime. I know I already said it, blah, 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 blah. Just had to say it for my phone. So, snot slime, or comment your favorite slime. This is the final result. It kind of looks golden, but it's snotty, guys. It's kind of snotty. Oh. So, that slime is done and over with. So now we're going to be moving on to our next slime, which I'm going to be randomly drawing, and then maybe, just maybe, at the end, we will mix all the slime together, and I hope it doesn't turn into this ugly snot slime. Blech. So I'm going to randomly draw. Oh, do you guys want to see it? This one and this one. I got the same colors again. Okay. Okay. So we got yellow and red. Two colors we haven't gotten. Exciting. Super excited. I hope it doesn't mix in with the other slime. Oh, I'm really worried it is. It'll be fine. Even at the end, we're gonna mix it all together. Okay. Let's pour in a little bit. Pour it on the side away from the snotty slime. There we go. So I'm going straight on this cap. I'm actually going to pour in a bit more because that just looks boring. There we go. That looks very nice. It's a beautiful red. So guys, we got red and yellow. Ooh, what if it makes a really nice peachy color? That'd be nice. I don't think it is. I think the red's gonna come it. See, it looks a little clear over there. I'm going to mix it up. Guys, it is turning as I predicted. Pink, turning pink. It's turning pink. Oh no, the awful part of the slime gone. Like overactivated part. So guys, that is all mixed in. So it made pink. Pink, guys. Vote for pink. Pinky? The ghost Pinky! Comment in the comment section down below, Pinky. For the pink ghost. My bigger over there. Achoo. Booger confirmed. I'm not very funny, am I? Guys, it's so made pink slime. And I've already went over my 15 minutes. Great. I literally look over and it's exactly 15. I'm like, great. So sorry about that, guys. And we are only on my second slime. Guys, it's really hard to make slime, if you guys do not know. You're watching this video so you can make slime. I am a weird person. Guys, do not already notice. I am very weird. Touching me. Stop touching me. That looks disgusting. Like, look in there, guys. It looks disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Maybe I should put butter in here. Yeah. Guys, just a reminder, I cannot edit. So, sorry guys. And until I can figure out how to edit, I will not be doing any gaming videos, because that was my plan with YouTube, was making videos. So, jingle here. I'm really bad. Blech. Does not look very nice. Does not look like very good slime, guys. Get the other little bits and pieces on the bottom. There we go. It's starting to form. We got slime, guys, and it's pink. Got pink slime, guys. I'm going to name this Strawberry Jam Slime. Or something. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. But it is pinky. Strawberry Jam Slime. That's what I'm naming it. Oh, my bigger slime. My booger slime. Eat the booger. Okay. I'm just try to get. Whatever. Even at the end, we are going to mix it. Where did I put my cup? There it is. Okay. It was like right about to fall off of it. So next, we only got 2 more colors to mix. So we are going to mix them. This one and this one. Ooh, red and orange. It looks yellow, guys, but it is entirely a different color. So I'm going to pop off the top. Ow! It pulled off hair. Because the slime is sticking to me. You guys come to my school, everyone thinks I'm weird. So, yeah. And how long has it been? Almost 20 minutes. Guys, you will survive. Hopefully. Superfractalesticexpialidocious. Don't know how they say it. Superfractalesticexpialidocious. Still don't know how they say that. How do you do that? I'm not good at impressions, guys. And guys, I believe that leaves us with 1 colored slime. I believe we mixed orange and purple and purple and orange and... What? Did we mix red and, no. This is our 3rd one. I don't want to miss this one. Oh no, I totally forgot to mix it before I put in the activator. Oh, that sucks. Whatever. It's making slime. Don't know what it's gonna make. I believe it's gonna make a mango color. Guys, hashtag Hashtag mango. Well, comment down below mango along with booger and strawberry pink slime and strawberry slime. And I don't know what the other one's gonna make. It's gonna be pretty. Guys, that looks like mango. Something looks like mango. Look at this mango. It looks peachy, but it's mango, guys. Mango. Mango. I am such a bad person. I suck at YouTube. Oh yeah, you guys can see my fish back there. Hey, fishy. His name is Zilla. Yes, my fishy died, and he looked up. My other fishy, he died. So we need this one Zilla. My fish over there is like, what? One fish before me? That was rude. I'm just going to mix with my fingers. Ew. The strawberry jam slime is mixing along with the boogers. Ah, it's touching me. Oh. Oh, that is pretty. It's a pretty nice color. It's sticky! Well, that's what you expect from slime, right, guys? And we are over 20 minutes. Right? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry that this slime video is long. But if you stay tuned, we are going to be mixing it at the end. It probably fast forwarded to the end. Oh, sorry. I want to be a really good YouTuber, but I suck. And this slime is not activating. Activate slime, I activate you. So I think I'm gonna activate you. There we go. No, you don't. God, it's becoming sticky. Oh, it's actually becoming more of a peachy color. Now it is? Right. It has now become the peachy color after you told us to comment down the comment section down below. Mango. Mango smoothie? Oh, that is such a pretty color. So pretty. Ow! Keep stepping on the stem cord. Look at that, guys. So pretty. Such a pretty color. Okay, guys. And we are over to 20 minutes. And we still got one more slime to do, which I don't know what we've done. There should be only... No. We're just gonna make 3 slimes today, guys. And stay tuned for next time, because we're going to be making different kinds of slime. Different kinds of slime. Different kinds of slime. Guys, it is not activating. Activate. The orangey blob of gluck. It's all over my hands, guys. It was starting to activate really good. And then now it's all like all over my hands. All over my hands. Okay, I'm just going to clean off one hand. End the video. No, we're not ending the video. We are going to mix in the slime and make a slime smoothie. So now, after we've made this pretty orange slime. Now I think I know why it's sticking to me. Because it has more slime that's stuck to it. That's why, because look, it's pulling right off. There you go. That's better. Oh, okay. Ah! No. Definitely does need more activator. There we go. Okay, there we go. I know, guys, I am spilling stuff everywhere on my desk. I'll clean it up. Shh, don't tell your parents. Don't tell your parents that you're eating mango smoothie. Slime. Just one little. You want a nibble? You over there? Do you want one too? Don't think I don't see you. And your mother's staring in the back. That'd be creepy if she actually was. But maybe. Okay, so did you just want a little nibble? Just take a little. Got some? Okay. So we've got mango smoothie slime. They're all such good slime. Never mind. So I got some mango with me. Okay, so we are done with that. And now, what you all been waiting for, the mixing of the slime. So, guys, we've got all the slimes down here, ready to be mixed. So, as you all been waiting for, I'm going to mix Pinky. I don't want to mix the burger. I don't mix the burger. Oh, look, it's so nice. That is actually such a pretty color. So glad you guys made me did it. Look at that. It's so pretty. Such a cool color. I wonder what it's gonna do when I add in you. That looks really identical. I gotta show you guys the big similarity. The slimes. Those look very similar. Like, you guys can tell the mango from the Booger and Pinky. But they look very similar. You can definitely tell the difference. Mixing it in. Guys, satisfied. Ah. Okay, so guys, we have got the final results. It is so nice. God, I could poke it all day. But that is the end of our video. Leave a like, comment in the comment section down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. See you later.